Pelican Squawk. Design, prototype, and fabricate. We can produce a variety of custom parts for you. Introducing the 3D printed reflector plate. This is one of many design types and can be ordered as per your specification. So easy to install, even a child could do it. Proper documentation is maintained for consistency and clear communication, because clear work means reliable results. We design, test, and fabricate with precision in wood, metal, plastic, and with the right quantity, we can even injection mold special parts. Our reflector uses polycarbonate for a strong, waterproof design. Durable, UV-resistant, acrylonitrile, styrene, acrylate, and strong cyanoacrylate adhesive makes for a long-lasting product. So don't hesitate. Contact us today. Pelican Squawk, where the little guys dream big. Squawk.